What if I tell you a man who earns millions is not happy, and a man who earns only enough for food and family is smiling every day? Today's story is not about money, it is about life. It is about something many people forget while chasing success. Listen carefully, because this story may change how you see your future. Daniel was a CEO of a big company. Every morning he woke up at 5 a.m. Emails, meetings, phone calls, pressure, targets. His phone never stopped ringing. His mind never stopped thinking. He had a big house, expensive car, luxury clothes, everything people call success. But inside, he was tired, very tired. One day, his doctor said, "You need rest, real rest, not just sleep. Your mind is tired." So Daniel decided to go on vacation near the sea. The first morning at the beach, Daniel saw something strange. A fisherman was sitting near his small boat. He was not working. He was smiling, playing guitar, looking at the sea. Daniel thought, "Why is he wasting time?" Daniel walked toward him. "Why are you sitting? Why are you not fishing?" The fisherman smiled and said, "I already caught enough fish today." Daniel was surprised. "Enough? Why not catch more?" The fisherman laughed softly. "What will I do with more?" Daniel sat beside him. "Listen," Daniel said, "if you catch more fish, you can sell more. Then you can buy a bigger boat. Then you can hire workers. Then you can build a big fishing business. Then, after many years, you can relax and enjoy life." The fisherman looked at Daniel calmly. Then he asked one question. "What do you think I am doing right now?" Daniel was silent. The fisherman continued, "I wake up early, I fish for some hours, I eat with my family, I rest, I play music, I watch the sunset, I sleep peacefully. Tell me, what part of life am I missing?" Daniel had no answer. Daniel suddenly felt something heavy inside his chest. For the first time in years, he started thinking. He remembered missed family dinners, missed birthdays, missed holidays, missed peace. He had money, but no time. He had success, but no joy. He asked the fisherman, "Are you never worried about the future?" The fisherman smiled again. "I respect the future, but I don't destroy my present for it." That night, Daniel sat alone in his hotel room. He looked outside the window. The sea was calm. He saw the fisherman walking with his family, laughing, talking, living. Daniel whispered to himself, "When did I stop living?" Tears came into his eyes, not because he was poor, but because he realized he was rich in money, but poor in life. The next morning, Daniel met the fisherman again. "Teach me something," Daniel said. The fisherman smiled. "I cannot teach you business, but I can tell you one thing. Life is not waiting at the end of success. Life is happening right now." Daniel stayed quiet. For the first time, he felt peace. After vacation, Daniel went back to work, but he changed some things. He stopped working late every day. He started visiting his parents. He spent time with friends. He learned guitar. He started watching sunsets. He still worked, he still earned money, but now he also lived. Final moral: success is not only money. Success is peace. Success is time. Success is smiling without stress. Success is sleeping without fear. Success is living before life ends. Remember this. Do not destroy today for a tomorrow that is not guaranteed. Maybe you are chasing something right now: money, success, status, respect. But ask yourself one question: am I living or only preparing to live? Because one day you will realize life was not in the future. Life was always in the present.